The Pali-Aike Volcanic Field is a volcanic field along the Argentina-Chile border. It is part of a family of back arc volcanoes in Patagonia, which formed from processes involving the collision of the Chile Ridge with the Peru-Chile Trench. It lies farther east than the Austral Volcanic Zone, the volcanic arc that makes up the Andean Volcanic Belt at this latitude. Pali-Aike formed over a Jurassic-age basin starting from the late Miocene as a consequence of regional tectonic events. The volcanic field consists of an older plateau basalt formation and younger volcanic centers in the form of pyroclastic cones, scoria cones, maars and associated lava flows. There are approximately 467 vents in an area of 4,500 square kilometers. The vents often form local alignments along lineaments or faults, and there are a number of maars and other lakes, both volcanic and non-volcanic. The volcanic field is noteworthy for the presence of large amounts of xenoliths in its rocks and because the maar Patagonia is located here, where paleoclimate data have been obtained. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.